Hey guys, this is Kun from ACNTRUCK. Now I'm in Taicang Port and I'm going to take you to know a new friend. Let's go! This is concrete machine, 52 meters concrete pump trunk from ZOOMLION. The model of this trunk is 52X-6RZ. Its total weight is about 36,000 kilograms. The max vertical reach is 52 meters. The max horizontal reach is 47 meters. Adopting Sitrak chassis, it has most powerful engine, which enable it to work efficient. The productivity of this ZOOMLION concrete pump trunk is 180 cubic meters per hour. Look at the cabin, equipped with comfortable and ergonomic seat, and a comprehensive maintenance service for the entire vehicle and its component. No matter what your business requires, this machine can adapt to your specific needs. So if you are interested in this machine, feel free to contact with me. That's all of this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.